Hi guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So it's my sister's birthday and I wanted to do something special for her. And I was watching this video the other day on Michel JANSE'S channel where she and another YouTuber decided to make a subscription box kind of customized for each other. So I started thinking, my sister and I both love subscription boxes, and I thought, what if I made her like the ultimate subscription box? Because who doesn't love getting subscription boxes with like all sorts of cool, cool nifty things? In this video, I'm going to do kind of like a haul and show you all of the things that I purchased for her very own luxurious subscription box. Okay, so first up we have a hand cream here by Laura Mercier, and it is Amber Vanilla hand cream, and this smells very light. And my sister loves the Laura Mercier brand. Next up we have Marc Jacobs, another brand that my sister loves, and this is the Finish Line Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder. Let's take a little peek inside. That's what it looks like. Just a little finishing powder. You know, my sister loves makeup. Next up, I have Perfume. My sister absolutely loves Perfume, and usually every year for her birthday, I get her some kind of perfume. This year, I decided to get her this cute little duo pack here, which is the Versace. Who doesn't want to get a little bit of Versace in their subscription box? Am I right? So I got her that. It comes with 2 scents and what is it? Dylan Blue and the Bright Crystal. And I thought the bottles were super cute and something that she could display like on her vanity or on her dresser. Next up, we have this Kate Spade shower cream. I thought that was a cute little find. Story behind this is I went into Ulta and I saw something that I immediately knew I wanted to get for her subscription box. And when I went to go pick it out, they said, oh, you can't buy this. You need to buy other things, and this is the free gift that you get when you buy other things. So I'm like, really? I can't just like buy this? Like all I want is just to buy this. I'll show you the 2 things that I purchased first, and then I'll show you the free gift that I got with it, which is really the only item that I wanted to buy. So the first item that I purchased, and they gave you like a limited amount of products you could choose from. So I got her this Tree Hut, and it is the Cotton Candy Shea Sugar Scrub. I thought that was really cute. I actually purchased one of these for myself too, I'm not gonna lie. So I got that. Second item that I purchased, Body Shop Cool Cucumber Body Yogurt. This is really what I wanted. It's the bath must-haves from Ulta. And if you guys watched my video that I made for my niece's 13th birthday, I actually was able to purchase something similar to this, but it was like a spa at home box. So again, I thought I would be able to purchase this, but no. It comes with lots of cool little items in here. Let's see. Take a look. That's that. And it comes in this cool little holographic bag. Iridescent holographic bag. Who doesn't love holographic bags, right? Now, what kind of subscription box would this be without a little snack? We have here very appropriately labeled Happy Birthday. Got this from Nordstrom, okay? I want to show you inside because I thought this was really cute. Take a look at that. Really cute candies. Really cute. cool little candies that it comes with. It's funny, I was in Nantucket the other day for a customer meeting, and I was in this boutique. I forget the name of the boutique, but anyways, they had these little individual candy boxes for sale, and they were selling them for like 12 bucks each. And I thought about getting one, but I'm glad that I didn't get them there and that I ended up purchasing them from Nordstrom, because 12 bucks for those little boxes, I think, is just robbery. In case you're wondering, this is from the brand Sugarfina, and they have lots of other little boxes available like this. They have smaller ones where you can get just like 2, a little bit of candy for her. So next up, we have a candle, because how could we have a subscription box without a candle, right? We need a candle, of course. This candle I am like so in love with. This is by Lab Candles, and it is in the scent Comfort in Oakwood Ash. And it says here, Lab Hygge. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with that term, Hygge. I believe it's a Danish word, and it's a Danish way of living. And what it is, it's like living a life of coziness and comfort and just being content with like little things, you know, with like nice smelling candles, you know, by the fireside. And who wouldn't want to live that way, right? So anyways, this is the Lab Hygge candle in the comfort scent. Relax, unwind, sit back, get comfortable, and take a breather. Smelt the candle in the store with my mask on, of course. It was a little difficult, but I could smell it. And when I smelled it, the reason why I got this for my sister is, for some reason, you know when you smell something, you smell like a certain smell, and then like it kind of like takes you back to like another time and place, like a memory. You have like this nostalgic feeling. So I smelled this, and immediately it like reminded me of my sister and this like mini vacation that her and I took together. So this is really why I bought the candle, because not only does she love candles, but this particular candle reminded me of her and a particular moment in time with her. Next up, I love these. Oh, I love these. I just love these. We have these slippers. Guys, look at that. Is that not the cutest? These remind me of the UGG ones that are out right now. There's a couple of other kind of expensive brands, but your girl got these on Amazon. I watched a couple of YouTubers. They come highly recommended. And I had a lot of good reviews. These feel so luxurious, like, oh my gosh. I will link these down below because they are so comfortable. You know, I might have stuck my feet in here a little bit. Sorry, Kel. And they came in other colors too. So I thought they were cute. So in keeping with the whole like spotlight, candle, comforting vibe, I thought, who wouldn't want these comfy little slippers? And the last item in the subscription box is a gift card to Nordstrom, because why not? I would love to get a subscription box with a gift card to Nordstrom. Wouldn't you? I also wanted to take the time to show you the actual box that I purchased to put all of these goodies in. And when I found this box, I was so excited. Like, I can't even tell you how excited I was, because it really went with the theme of the subscription box, which was the ultimate luxurious subscription box. You ready? Look at that. Is that not so cute? Oh, it's upside down. Kate Spade nesting box. Isn't that so cute? I was so excited when I found this at TJ Maxx. I'm like, I know exactly what I'm going to use that for. It says, put a lid on it. That's cute. So I figured she could use this after the fact, you know, to store things in her closet, or, you know, even display, because these boxes are really cute. So that's what it looks like inside. It's got the little green interior. I'm going to insert a clip here of the finished product. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave me a like below. Also, let me know in the comments section, what is your favorite type of item to get in a subscription box? Is it beauty? Is it comfort? Is it snacks? What is it? All right, guys, if you're not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing below and hitting the little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.